To please go and see the film. Farah will not promote her own film, but I can promote it for her.
No, I think it hardly needs
Today is about Sonia.
because,
Thank you, Kunal.
so I'm sure that people want to also ask so many questions and.
Sonia, what did you learn from this book? Like from everyone's story, was there a common factor in everybody's story?
Yeah, there is that passion, that creativity by which all of them are driven. And I think that is one thing which is something which is common across all the 15 stories, which is...
I read few of them, but I think what I found common was that each one starts with a failure somewhere.
Yeah.
There's a struggle, nothing comes easy for anybody, and I think that's a great lesson to take back from the book, because when you want to give up, or I'll read Ashutosh Gavarekar, who had terrible 2 first movies, and then he makes a Lagan, which is like the all India classic and is nominated for an Oscar. He's made Pehla Nasha, which I choreographed without taking money, and literally, and Bazi, which were not that great movies, and you think, and then he makes, so I think there's a lesson in every story for me, whether it's Zoya, who comes from an affluent film background, or Anurag Basu, who struggles as a junior artist, literally, that each one, because the passion was so strong that they overcome everything to reach, to make the movies that they have.
You have just hit the nail on the head, Farah, because this is the reaction from the few first readers of the book I've got, that they find it very inspiring, that how you should not be losing hope if you fail at something. There is always something which lies beyond it, which you may probably not know, but there are things, जैसे बोलते हैं कि रात के बाद सवेरा होता है, उसी तरह से it happens, it applies to all of our lives also.
Exactly.
And that life is not the life of our common people, to something like this. And Hum Tum is another tune which is Hum Tum, it goes on in the head, so we hope that we get more of such which become a...
I'm seeing that, so that's a habit of mine, but after a while I think it's wonderful to be part of a book, because books, stay forever, and
it's like inscribed.
Yeah, so, but it feels like you're reading about somebody else. It does, because it's from her point of view, so I always feel it's a character in a book, and it's not really me. I don't know if Kunal feels this.
Yeah, that's a very nice question.
Because, like she asked questions and then you dig up things that you've forgotten and you said it and you moved on. You've continued doing your work and everything, and then you come back to the book and then you read it and you're like, हाँ यार ये हुआ था मेरे साथ. And so that's quite interesting, it's almost surreal to, be reading about yourself and your thoughts which someone else has expressed so beautifully. So that's quite strange and surreal and nice, and you feel, acha, okay, it's a strange feeling, but it's nice. And like I said, but you also feel कि picture abhi baki hai mere dost.
Yeah, that feels when you do these stories, you feel that each human being is actually evolving with every moment, with every day, and I think most people should not really get stuck at any point in time, either in their past or in future. It's like a continuous evolvement, which I think stories like this bring out, that, where you are, where you can go.
And the nice thing is that, you suddenly see yourself with your peers, which very rarely happens. We'll meet at award functions or someone's party or something like this, and we'll hang out for 10-15 minutes and all that. And the good thing is that at least amongst the filmmakers, there's no